You finally made the decision. You're ready to train, to get stronger, to actually change your body. But now the real question hits you. Calisthenics or gym? One has you doing pull-ups on a rusty bar while a dog barks at you. The other has you waiting 20 minutes for a bench because someone's watching TikTok. Both build muscle. Both get results. But only one truly fits you. So let's fix that. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path matches your goals, your lifestyle, and your future. Calisthenics. Raw body control. First, calisthenics. This is primal training. Your body is the gym. No machines, no plates. Just you versus gravity. You push, you pull, you stabilize. Every rep forces your core, arms, and legs to fire together like a single machine. At first, it's simple. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats. But when you level up, you unlock skills, not just strength. Planche, front lever, muscle-ups, moves that look like you're bending physics. Calisthenics builds control, coordination, mobility, and real-world athleticism. The gym engineered strength. Now flip the scene. The gym, barbells, dumbbells, cables, machines that isolate every muscle fiber you have. This isn't just training, this is engineering. You add 5 pounds, then 5 more, then 5 more. You literally watch your muscles grow week after week. Where calisthenics gives you control, the gym gives you raw size and measurable strength, especially your legs. Sorry, pistol squats will never hit like a heavy barbell squat. If you want symmetry, mass, and sculpted muscle, weight training is the king. The one thing that breaks most people. Before results, before strength, before aesthetics. Let's talk money. Calisthenics? Free. Gravity doesn't bill you monthly. A pull-up bar, resistance bands, maybe a set of rings. But the base game is $0. A gym? Even affordable ones cost $40 a month. Luxury gyms? $100+, gone. Building a home gym? You're dropping $1,000 before you even do your first curl. Financially, calisthenics wins by knockout. Beginner friendliness, hard mode versus easy mode. Here's where many people get blindsided. Calisthenics looks simple, but your body doesn't scale down. A push-up is your full weight. A pull-up? That's even worse. Most beginners can't do 5 clean push-ups. Most can't do 1 pull-up. You're thrown into hard mode on day 1. Progress? Slow. Frustrating. Sometimes months for a single milestone. The gym? Beginner paradise. You choose your weight. 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, whatever feels doable. Machines guide your form. Cable stacks let you pick the smallest plate and still grow. You can start weak and still make progress. And progress fuels motivation. For total beginners, the gym is simply the easier entry point. The type of strength you build. Calisthenics builds unified strength. Strength you can use. Core locked, balance sharp, coordination on point. You feel like an athlete. The gym builds hypertrophy, big muscles, isolated strength, precise overload. If you want size, shape, and symmetry, the gym wins. If you want control, skill, and athletic movement, calisthenics dominates. Progression. Which one is faster? Gym progression is brutally simple. Lift a weight today, add a little next week. More reps, more tension, more growth. Numbers don't lie. Calisthenics is different. You don't add weight, you upgrade the movement. Push-ups to archer push-ups to one-arm push-ups. Pull-ups to muscle-ups. Squats to pistol squats. Each level can take months, maybe longer. If you want progress that's fast, measurable, and clear, the gym is the fast lane. If you crave mastery, patience, and skill, calisthenics gives you a journey most people never complete. The fat loss, the uncomfortable truth. If your number one goal is fat loss, neither method alone is enough. Fat loss is diet plus consistency plus a bit of cardio, not magic workouts. But if you're overweight, calisthenics can feel like torture. A push-up is harder. A pull-up is almost impossible. The gym gives you scaling, light weights, machines, cable stacks let you pick the smallest plate and still grow. You can start weak and still make progress. And progress fuels motivation. For total beginners, the gym is simply the more forgiving one. Environment, the hidden factor. Where you train matters more than people think. Calisthenics gives you total freedom. Anywhere, anytime, no excuses. But freedom means responsibility. Rain, heat, bad mood, low motivation, it's all on you. The gym gives you energy, noise, movement, other people pushing hard. That environment pulls you in even on low motivation days. But it can also become the easiest excuse not to go. Pick the environment where you thrive. Safety and mobility. Calisthenics often improves mobility, but both methods are safe as long as you're not an ego lifter. Form breaks you, not the training style. And no, weightlifting does not stunt growth. That's a myth. The real verdict. So now you know, calisthenics versus gym isn't about which is better. It's about who you are. If you want freedom, skill, control, mobility, calisthenics is your weapon. If you want mass, measurable progress, symmetry, and fast muscle growth, the gym is your home. And if you want the best results possible, mix both. Blend the skills of calisthenics with the overload of weightlifting. That hybrid approach creates a physique that's strong, mobile, and built to last. If you want to maximize your gains, click on this next video.